Gano'n yung pag-agency parang kunyari, kaya mo pa ng kliyente, sige bigay ng bigay ng bigay,
Correct.
'di ba? Parang hangga't
And you're
humihina ka
not
pa.
getting the best value
Oo, tapos
in return.
even if you're handling 10 clients, even if you're handling 5 clients, same lang yung bayad, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Ta's parang
Oh, that's your setting. So
oo,
like same bayad pero multiple clients, same bayad,
kaya
tumataas na yung workload?
correct. Kaya dapat
Oh, that's so bad kasi ako 'no, as an agency, per client may iba-ibang contract and ano,
yeah,
and pay. Sa inyo, sa UGC or sa Shopify or
sa
whatever,
creative agency.
creative agency, regardless kung gaano kadami kang, iba-ibang brands, kunwari 30 yan, same rate tas same
Yeah,
hours?
kasi
Ibig sabihin nabaliw ka lang, gano'n?
kasi ganito kasi yung allure nun, sasabihin nila, "Okay, we're gonna hire you full-time." Tapos una ano lang yan, mga 3, tapos biglang ano, naging 5 na.
But I mean like, is it same hours, same rate?
Same hours, same
But
rate.
you're paid per hour.
You're given that flat rate for a full-time position.
You're given a flat rate regardless of how many brands you're handling.
Yeah,
How many hours do you work in a day?
Diyos ko,
There's no cap?
there's no cap kasi you're
Fuck.
there for a full-time role,
Sorry.
full-time position.
Naloka ko, abusada kayo mga agency, sorry.